All right, guys. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Checking over the car.
Checking over the car?
Probably about to take it, go wash it.
Don't we have a surprise for the people?
We do.
You think we should show them a little sneak peek?
I guess.
Show them a little something that you could cop your hands on.
Yes,
For-
you can get yours today.
Yeah. Are we doing pre-orders too?
On two different ones.
Two different ones?
These ones, no, these are going to be continuously on our website, which is labmotorsports.net. You can go on there and you can go to the shop feature and you can order these. Pretty cool, actually. So,
What do we got? What do we got?
well, on the front, you
Got
can see,
the
got the Wab Motorsports logo.
Wab Motorsports. Sorry, we're forward
But on
facing.
the back, it says, "May the power of Chrysler compel you."
And we've got the pistons
Got the piston.
that you can blow up.
So that's what we got right now. These are heather gray, a Gildan 100% cotton shirt. And you can get yours right now on the website for $20 hairs.
Or on Mopar Day, which is the first Saturday of every November.
Yep, we will have a booth set up out there, and we're going to be slinging shirts. So you can get them there. You can also pre-order the shirts that we're going to have coming out, which I'll actually put up an image of those.
Oh, wait,
They're pretty cool.
other designs?
I have other designs. We have
Okay.
one.
Sweet.
You'll see the white shirt, which has the logo on the front as well. It says Wab Motorsports. And then the back of the shirt says, let's say, oh yeah, late nights lead to win lights. It's got the checkered flag on the bottom.
Hell yeah.
And then also we have another shirt that is going to be our Christmas shirt, which is a green shirt with red lettering.
Ooh.
It's got the Wab Motorsports logo on the front, on the left chest. And then on the back, it says, "All I want for Christmas is my Mopar." So I'll post pictures of those so you can get those on pre-order.
And isn't there a talk about some sort of like Christmas tree race thing?
We're gonna see. We'll see how
We'll
Mopar
see.
Day goes.
We'll see.
But we'll figure that out later. So yeah, we're gonna do
Yeah.
pre-orders on those two shirts. You can go to the website and pre-order those as well. And they are gonna be on pre-order till the last day of November. That way we can get them printed and out to people hopefully in time for Christmas with all this shipping crap that's going on. So head on over to that website, wabmotorsports.net. There'll be a link down in the description, and you can get your Wab Motorsports apparel today.
Go get you one.
Enjoy the video. Welcome back, YouTube. So, quick event plug here. We're getting close. First weekend in November, my family and I actually hold, it's called Mopars at the Park. It's at Tulsa Raceway Park. Pretty much if it's a Mopar bodied, Mopar powered anything, you're more than welcome to show up. We have classes for everybody. Several racing classes, also have several car show classes. Also this year, sponsored by Wab Motorsports, we're going to do a Burnout contest, which will be $1,000 total payout, guaranteed payout, 70% to the winner, 30% to runner-up, and I think it's going to be a really cool time, which actually brings us on to the rest of today's video. Ready to show them our new addition? Well, not really a new addition. It's more like an old vehicle that we're going to introduce to the channel. Let's we got meander on out to the back 40, and it's a little rough. So, oh, look at this beaut. Yeah, the tires are toast. We gotta get, oh my God, we gotta empty this shit out. Got a lot of shit to clear out. I don't think so. Oh my, oh, stuck on a lid. Oh. God damn. Yeah, I gotta put tires on it.
Hey, be nice. Did they just dent the door?
No, it was dented before. Oh.
And one flew onto my shoulder.
What, did a wasp?
Yeah.
Oh, gee. Oh.
Yeah, I gotta get some wasp.
Damn. Ow. Sticks. God dang. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, that one's empty.
Oh,
though.
Jesus. That one's full of them.
But there's a mud dauber nest on. Get your
Oh,
on my butt.
fuck that. Somebody shut the hood.
It's gonna piss them off. So you better run.
I ain't running nowhere. Oh, God, this is bad. I can go work for a burnout truck, though. It'll be just fine.
How are you gonna get it in the gear?
It's broke, remember? We broke the shifter. It'll come out of gear.
Okay, whoever's sticking their
So yeah, this thing was fell victim to getting
Car theft.
stolen. Ryan was driving it at the time, and somebody jacked it.
I was about to put tires on it too.
Yeah.
I guess good thing you didn't.
Yeah, good thing you didn't put tires on it.
So, how much gas do you think's in this?
Oh, I doubt there's hardly any.
Probably bad gas.
Oh, shit. Those are red wasps.
They're everywhere.
All right, so new game plan. We go get wasp kill,
Wasp spray.
wasp spray.
Brake clean in there, don't you?
Oh, I do have brake clean.
Yeah, but that wasp spray stuff is like, kills them on contact.
So we're gonna try to drag this thing out and clean it out.
Oh.
Before you get rid of the wasps, they're not dragging this out.
Yeah, no, we're gonna get rid of the wasp first.
Y'all are gonna have
inside the
y'all are
cab.
gonna have fun dragging this shit out and try not to drop it in that hole.
It'll be fine.
You're gonna have to try and air up the tires. I don't even know if those will air up. They look.
It'll
pretty-
air up.
Well, what we'll do is we yank it out of the hole first.
Oh,
and then
Jesus.
air 'em up.
It just don't.
So, genius idea going on here, right? Genius idea, huh? What do we got? What are you about to do with
I got
brake
brake
clean?
Well,
Brake clean?
See, we have a problem with wasps under the hood and in the gas tank
Apparently, yeah.
of our newly
Going-
decided burnout truck.
Yeah. So, oh, there's another face. All right.
You going for the gas or you going for the one under the hood?
I'd do the gas first. The one under the hood's not bad.
Oh.
Jesus. Oh, that's not too bad.
You're good.
I think you got it, sir. Come out here with fucking needle nose pliers trying to fucking get it out.
I only saw like one in there, so I think that's good. Fuck that. Oh, Jesus, really? Ow!
Oh, that was.
Oh, shit!
Woo!
Why'd you... That's why you do the broad spray, it kills them.
I did not know that was a nest.
You saw it before.
But I didn't see anything in it. Those are babies.
They like all fell out of the
They all
thing.
fucking fell out.
I just shot one out of there, though.
Oh, how's it going?
Hang on.
Double team. Diesel, you barking at the wasps? Don't
Oh, got him out of there!
Don't shoot him my way.
I shot one out of there.
They're in the hood.
Call me Call of Duty.
They're in the hood.
In the hood. There's holes right there. That's where they're coming out of. Yep.
Oh.
It's alive! You're good. The old infamous burnout truck in the making.
Did it die?
Did it die?
My finger slipped off.
Oh, he lost his touch.
Son of a bitch.
Hey, what is that?
I can't see shit out of the windshield. That's sketchy.
It's out of the backyard, though.
Oh my god. Magic screwdriver.
All right, now we just need to figure out where we're putting it.
Dude, look at my thumb. That's from holding it while I was trying to drive it.
All right, we need to get this thing put where it needs to be.
All right. Well, after a minor inconvenience with catching some shit on fire. Oh. I got her welded up. Ain't the prettiest. But it ain't got to be pretty where we're going. It'll be fine. Oh. Now to bleed the brakes, and then put it on a trailer, and it'll be ready for a good burnout contest, right? I'm gonna pull you forward. You're gonna do it. You're gonna mat the shit and do a quick burnout.
Driveway?
Yeah, in the driveway. Hey, just make sure you let off when I tell you to. There you go. Mat it. Parking. Well, it does a burnout. We're tested. Not 5 seconds. We did a burnout. And now the truck's sitting over there because they kicked the shifter linkage off and we can't put it in reverse. It's stuck in drive. So hopefully some pliers, I can click it back in and we can put it in the, we can back it up. Oh my God, this is bad. Poor truck. All right, guys, so we got the old 94 Dodge V10 all put on the trailer. She's ready. We were taking it out. We were taking it out to Mopars at the Park, where we are, sponsoring the Burnout event. So we're gonna take it out there, and we're gonna go blow these tires off, and just kind of like make it a show at the end of the Burnout contest. I think it'll be fun. Ryan's actually gonna be the one doing the burnout, so that'll be pretty cool to watch. Because with everything he has done to help out with old Casper that's sitting over there in the garage, it's about time to let him have some fun. So I think he'll enjoy himself. And so yeah, this is we have less than $50 in this car. Like, we cut the exhaust off, we rewired it, made sure that, and it was all wire we had, it was switches we had. So we have not spent anything on this truck. The tires that are on it are actually ones that I took off of my dad's work truck. He had them on there and he got a new set of tires, and I mounted and balanced his tires, so I got these. And so I threw them on this truck. They were 60-inch wheel, so I threw them on this truck. And we're gonna go get it all cleaned up, throw some stickers on it, but we don't have a name for it yet. I think we were kind of thinking of like Ron Zombie. I don't know, but it's still up in the air. So if you can think of any names for this thing, this old thing, it was a truck that was stolen, and we got it back, and we brought it back from dead. So what any names y'all can come up with, I'd like to hear them. Drop a comment. I mean, we'll see if a name comes up and we like it, we're gonna name it that, and we're gonna put a big ass decal on the side of the truck. So, but anyways, it's gonna do it for today's video. We'll bring you some more updates before the event. We got some stuff going on with Casper. Other than that, that's pretty much gonna do it, and we're gonna continue on. It's been a long couple weeks, so y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks. Have a good day.